So looking towards the next few days, it is going to be staying hot and humid specifically for the first half of this week. Not anything like what we saw on Saturday, I think, where it feels like temperatures were between 105 and 110 degrees, but still a bit on the hot and humid side. We're going to have daily chances for thunderstorms, more so isolated in nature for the first half of the week, and then towards the end of the week, we're looking at an increasing chance for more widespread thunderstorms across the area. We're looking live at Ocean Pines on the Ocean Downs Casino sky cam. A little bit of a hazy look out there. It's very humid out there here in Ocean Pines. And we're looking at some increased cloudiness just to our south and west with a few highly isolated and very light showers crossing Tangier Island right now. But these are very light in nature. A few extra clouds associated with that as well. We had a torrential downpour with vivid lightning just in New Jersey, and that's kind of the nature with the stalled front. It triggers an isolated storm that's capable of hefty downpours. Luckily, we didn't see any of that. There's a cluster of numerous thunderstorms just to our south with more moisture down there, but that isn't the case for us. So with that frontal boundary sliced across the peninsula north of that, it's really not all that humid out there with dew points in the 60s, but just towards the south and east, very humid in areas like Wallops with dew points in the upper 70s. So with the lower humidity values, feels like temperatures aren't all that bad. Right now, temperatures are in the upper 80s to lower 90s, and we got feels like temperatures closer to that 100-degree range, so not as bad as it was on Saturday. Weather watchers are calling in. We got 92 degrees with Neenah and Sandtown, Delaware. County and Greenwood, 95 degrees, so pretty hot over there. A little bit cooler by Chuckey and Lewis, 88 degrees, 87 with Joe in Bishopville. And we got a 91-degree reading with Clay in Prince Azan. The latest on Tropical Storm Beryl shows that it is going to potentially strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane before making landfall in Texas tonight. And then the remnant moisture looks like it's going to make its way towards the northeast later next week. And that could bring an enhanced coverage of thunderstorms as the moisture from the remnants of Beryl makes it into our region. So the thunderstorm chances are going to be very isolated in nature Monday, Tuesday, and even into Wednesday. But going towards Friday, there's some consensus that we will see an increase in coverage in thunderstorms before decreasing by the time we get towards Sunday. So for the feels like temperatures, it will be hot out there, feeling like it around that 100-degree mark. But by the time we get towards the end of the week, with the increasing potential for storms, we're going to cool things down a bit as well. So looking towards Monday, we start off the day on the dry note, but then by the time we get towards the afternoon, the chance for an isolated thunderstorm that could produce some locally heavy rainfall. We do it again on Tuesday. The day starts out dry, and then we have an increased chance for an isolated thunderstorm or downpour during the afternoon, and that will be the case for Wednesday as well. Tonight, 71 to 76 degrees, so not as warm as the previous nights, but still on the muggy side. Tomorrow, 90 to 95 degrees, partially sunny skies, the chance for isolated thunderstorms and downpours during the afternoon. And that remains the case for Tuesday into Wednesday with temperatures in the lower 90s and increasing potential for showers and storms Thursday, Friday into Saturday, perhaps on the drier note by next Sunday. Deja.